Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
First of all, let's thank to Allah who has given our mercies and blessing us until we can attend this beautiful place without any trouble and obstacle. And secondly, salawat and salam we will give unto our Prophet Muhammad
Sallallahu alaihi wasallam,
who has guiding us from the darkness to the lightness, who has bring us from the stupid era to the first era. Now, we would like to explain English morphological phenomena, and we are from group 5. And before that, let us introduce ourselves first. My name is Jifar Afifi.
My name is Vanessa Davida. My name is Lisa Handu. My name is Sulustini Andra.
My name is Lakman Rosidi.
My name is Warga.
My name is Abraham Haris.
And now our topic is, the first one is non-affixes and conversation, clipping, and back formation. So the goal of this topic is to understand different ways English form new word, and this topic will explain by our group presentation. And the first speaker will deliver by Neza Nafida.
Okay guys, the first topic is non-affixation, is word formation without adding affixes, not prefix or suffix. So this just affix. So is how it works. The word changes internally, not by adding anything. For example, is sing to some to sang to some, and man to man, foot to foot. So they have key idea. The key idea is change happens inside the world, internal change. Thank you.
Well, thank you for the explanation by Neza Nafida, and let's invite the next speaker, Ms. Louisa Ayu. Time and place is yours.
Well, explain about conversion, or we also know as zero derivation. So what is conversion? Conversion is a word formation process in which a word changes its form without any changing in its word. So, in other words, the spelling and pronunciation of the word is still the same, but the function in grammatical is totally different. How it works, unlike other word formation that add prefix or suffix, conversion itself is create a new word simply by assigning a different grammatical role to an existing word. So this process is very common in English because it allows speakers to create new expression easily and efficiently. So I would like to give you an example here. Meaning that the first one here is noun to verb. Email here is noun, but if we adding particle to before the email, it's become to email and it is verb. Another example is Google. Here is noun, but if we adding to before the word Google, it's become verb. And the third example here is verb becomes noun. Run here is verb, but if we add any particle a before the word run, it becomes a noun. So the key idea here is no form change, only function change. That's all for me. Thank you.
Well, thank you from the second speaker, and let's invite the third speaker, Ms. Sulis Dinia Amra.
So here is the next material. It's clipping. So the definition of clipping is shortening a word without changing its meaning. There is 3 types of clipping here. First is back clipping. For the example is at first attachment, so we delete the back of the word. So we take only the front word is add. And the second type is front clipping. The example is telephone. So we delete the front and take the back. So the last type of clipping is middle clipping. So we only take the middle of the word and delete the front and back of the word. Another example here is laboratory, and become lab, and examination become exam. The key idea here is long word becomes shorter and simpler. Thank you.
Let's invite the next speaker, Mr. Badrul Siddiq.
Okay, next back formation. The definition is forming a new word by removing a real or assumed effect. How it works? A longer word is reduced to create a new word.
Next, let's invite Mr. Ilwan Hidayat. Kindly place his video.
Okay, in example, editor, edit, and donations, donate, and television, telefish. Okay, idea, new words come from creating of an existing word.
And the last speaker, Mr. Amran Haris. Kindly place his yours.
So the next in conclusion, English homework in different ways, not only by adding affixes. The first is non-affixation, change the inside of a word. The second is compression, change the word function without changing its form. The third is clipping, search for word for simplicity. The fourth is back formation, creating new words by removing parts. The final insight is process so that English is flexible and dynamic in creating new words. Thank you.
Well, thank you guys for your nice attention. Maybe that's all from us. The last word we say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.